How to send or receive money from Moneygram to GCash. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send or receive money on GCash through Moneygram. Well, as you can see here, thanks to wise.com website here, I'm able to guide you through. To receive a payment from Moneygram to GCash, your sender must meet the following eligibility requirements. As you can see, you must be in a country where Moneygram to GCash payments are supported. You will need a fully verified GCash account to receive a payment from Moneygram. Moneygram to GCash payments are subject to daily limits as well. So as you can see, now you can easily check and use Moneygram to send to GCash. Then once you have sent it from your Moneygram, in order to receive is quite tricky. In order to do so, simply log into the GCash app and tap on profile, select verify now and then tap to get started. Then read through the verification requirements and make sure that you are verified first. Now, simply in order to send it, log into your Moneygram account or in app or online, then visit a Moneygram location. Select the mobile wallet delivery option and follow prompts to enter or give the teller your full legal name, mobile number and address. Enter your currency to be sent, the amount and how you want to pay. Check and confirm and your money is on the way. Then, once you have done so, open the GCash app and tap the Moneygram icon. Type in the 8-digit Moneygram reference number provided by your sender. Your money will be deposited to your GCash, saving you in the trouble of going out to collect it in cash. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.